Hi, I'm Aqua with WTI and I love this new curtain rod.
This is the KAYMOWDA adjustable metal curtain rod. This is in the 30 to 120 inch size and the color matte black. These curtain rods also come in other variety of sizes as well, so this curtain rod is awesome if you're looking for a unique size window or even a standard size window. I found it came in many pieces, but it was very simple to put together. It comes with end caps on both, and then each piece connects together seamlessly. And that's important because if you are moving your curtains, you don't want it to get stuck. So there was a seamless finish between each piece. So simply screw as many pieces you need together to create the desired curtain rod length. And on one end of the curtain rod, there is a piece that allows for that extension. So this really can fit any size window perfectly. It came with 3 adjustable brackets and also the screws and anchors that are needed as well. The install was fairly easy and just went up just like any traditional curtain rod. It took us about 10 minutes to get this up and we love the results. It really added a lot to our room and I just love the way it looks in our home.
And that's my point of view.